In front of me is CUBOT King Kong X, and today I would like to show you how you can apply animated live wallpaper called Magic Fluids. Begin by launching Play Store and getting free app called Magic Fluids Light Fluid Theme from Mad Scientist Developer. When it's ready, open it, hit Consent, and to mute the music, click at the bottom left corner. Then select this gear at the top left corner and adjust all of those wallpaper settings however you want to. Then you need to click on the top right corner, bottom right corner, set as live wallpaper, yes, set wallpaper, and last but not least, one of those options to decide where you wish to apply it. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!